welcome back to my channel. If you new, then welcome. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this bold makeup look with only using one eyeshadow. Okay, y'all, so I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I think that's what it's called, y'all. I don't even know. I have one that I used to use to conceal under my eyes, but I want to get a brighter one to make my eyeshadow pop. So if you really want your eyeshadows to pop, use a lighter concealer or eyeshadow primer. Either one to do. Okay, y'all. I love using my tape when I'm doing my eyeshadow because it just gives me a real crisp, clean look. I don't know how people do it without tape. I haven't got to that level yet, so I always use tape. But I'm using the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, the Dark Magic one, and I'm just using the color Busted. That's the only color I use. Okay, y'all. So I've been watching some makeup tutorials, and I got a tip that you should basically pack on the color first and then start blending it out. So I did that, and I think it did work a bit better than just me going in with like the window wiping motions. So pack your color on, then blend. Okay, so right now I'm just wiping off any little fallout I had, and I'm going to be using the Smashbox primer to prime my face. The first time I used this with the foundation I'm going to use, it didn't go so well. I really don't know what happened that day. And I also used the same setting powder too, and my face just was so dry. So I don't know, but it came out really good this time. So yeah, and I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation. I think I have the color 310 Burkina. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so this foundation is really full coverage and I really like it. So I got this Morphe brush. I got it from, I think, like Alyssa Ashley video. I was watching one of her videos about like the best foundation brushes. Lord, I can't talk. Okay, so yeah, I like to go in with the brush first and pat it in because it doesn't take off as much as the product when you use a beauty blender. But I do go back afterwards and use my beauty blender to blend it all in, and the brush is kind of big, so to get the smaller, creases and stuff, that's what I use that for. Okay, so I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic concealer in number 10. When I went to Ulta, I was looking for it in number 11, but they didn't have it, so this was the next best thing. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the Black Radiance Contour Palette. I am not nowhere near an expert at contour, so I just put it on and it do what it do. If y'all got any like tips, like suggestions on like better contours or like brushes I could use to blend it out, hit me out in the comments, okay? Okay, so the setting powder I'm going to be using is the Beauty Bakery flower powder in the color translucent, and I'm going to leave it sitting under my eyes because I'm going to do eyeshadow on my bottom lash line. So yeah, and I normally don't do this at all, but I also was watching makeup tutorials and I just decided to go ahead and do that today too. So yeah. And y'all, my smile lines be creasing, so that's why I have powder right there. And I like barely putting the powder on my nose because it gets like real dry fast. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna take the same color, like I said, and put it on my bottom lash line. And yeah, so I'm gonna be taking this Tarte blush. This is the only blush I've ever used. Like, it's the only one I own. So if y'all got some good blush suggestions, y'all can leave those down below too. And I just take this e.l.f. brush and put it on. I don't do too much because it can get real bad real fast with the blush. So yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm finna take my all-time favorite setting spray. I love the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray, y'all. It's so good. Like, I don't recommend going to sleep with your makeup on, but if you do, it's gonna stay on. So the lashes I showed was some little beauty supply store lashes. I went ahead and put those on off camera, and then I'm gonna take my Luna Cosmetics highlighter and put it in my inner corner on my brows. And yeah, this it. I didn't put any on my face because I didn't feel like having a highlighter day on my face. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so this is the last step. I'm just taking this brown lip liner from the beauty supply store. I need to get another one, a better one, but yeah, it works for now. And this little lip gloss, I don't even know where it came from. I got it in the Ipsy bag. I don't know what the brand is, but I just put that on top and that was it. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of the video. This is how the look came out. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.